Hello everyone and welcome to my new video related to Binance tutorials. Today's topic is going to be the stop limit feature on the spot markets. So we would like to go ahead straight to the point. This is Scrembo and I'd like to thank you for coming in. The first thing that I would like to do is go into a trading page of a specific pair in order to share with you what does the stop limit means. So we're going to search on the top left corner for LTC, which stands for Litecoin. We're going to go to the trade, scroll down for the USDT pair, and wait for the page to get up, right? So we're going to talk about the stop limit feature today, and you can utilize basically the stop limit feature in order to purchase your specific token at a price that you desire, which will be done automatically, right? So currently the price is $56, $55.99 for Litecoin. What if you would like to buy this specific token at $50? What do you have to do? Well, it's quite simple. You need to go to the stop limit, which has the purpose of executing your trade automatically at your desired price. Now we need to learn how to do this in a technical way, but the whole idea behind this specific feature is to do it automatically for you at the price you would like to set it up. It's quite simple, very useful, and it's really essential. The first thing that we gotta do, because we have two different tabs that needs to be understood very well, the stop and the limit. When you want to buy, please pay attention to this. You need to set the stop at a specific price that is smaller, that is lower than the limit price you will be setting. This is how it has to be done on the stop limit on the spot markets when you want to buy. So always the stop price is going to be set lower than the limit price you will be setting, because when the stop price is being touched, for example, I'd like to buy at $52 per Litecoin. So I'm going to set $52 stop, which means that once the markets are touching $52 price per Litecoin, my limit order will be executed. So once the markets are touching the stop price, your limit order will get executed, which means at the limit, we need to set up a price. The price it has to be higher than the stop because we don't want to be front run. We don't want to miss our entry in case of a high volatility market movement. So we want to set it up slightly above, which means that if I would like to buy at 52.20, 52.20, then I'll have to set my stop at 52. Entry is at 52.20. That's where I'm gonna get my limit order set up at the amount I'm gonna put in, whether I want to go with the Litecoin amount, whether I want to go with the USDT amount. It will just grab me in the right way. So that's basically the way we set it up. Always the limit price needs to be higher than the stop price, slightly, just a little bit, not to be front run, not to miss your entry, and to still have orders available on the order book for you to be connected with volume on the exchange. This is why you need to do it. It's very logical, very, very logical. So we're just gonna hit the buy LTC, and it will give us a confirmation. If the last price drops to or below 52, an order to buy that amount of Litecoin at a price of 52.20 will be placed, which means that for sure I will be able to get my order filled up because I'm giving more than the actual price. And this is why it is very useful. I'm giving more than the actual price. I give you more money than the value of the specific token on the markets. Why is this efficient, someone could ask? Well, simply because it's being done automatically and you avoid all the issues of staying up 24 hours looking at the prices. No, you set up your order and you need to start from the price that you want to pay. And that's the first thing you can decide. I want to pay 52.2. Then I'm going to set my stop a little bit under that. You need to start always from the limit price in terms of thinking about how much do you want to pay? 52.20. All right. Then I'm going to set my stop under that. When the market hits my stop, which is 52, for sure there's going to be people selling a little more expensive, especially that you're willing to give out more expensive than the current price. That's the idea. This is how you get connected, basically, because you're giving a little more than the price of the market. Beautiful. So we just confirm. And it tells us that the stop limit buy order has been created. It appears at the open orders and it is waiting to be filled, right? I'm going to share with you with a specific tool, filled. It says 0%, right? This is where it is going to appear once it's filled up with the amount of 0.287 Litecoin at the price of 52.20. That's what you're going to get, right? So you're going to get a good price, the one that you decided. When the markets are touching the 52, your buy order will be triggered. There has to be volume because you're giving a little bit more than the price of the market. So this is how it functions. In case you'd like to delete this, you just want to click here on the cancel and you delete basically the stop limit order. You cancel that and it's no longer existent. So this is how it works. That's the purpose of it. And this is happening with a stop limit that you would like to utilize when you want to buy on the spot markets. We're going to have other videos related to stop limits utilized on the futures market, stop limits utilized on markets that are having a live trading running for you. That's pretty much all, folks. Have a beautiful day. Make sure to subscribe. And for those of you interested in my complete education, one-to-one coaching program directly with me, if you'd like to be traders, if you want me to be your mentor, one-to-one live conversations, live coaching directly with me at scrembocoaching.com. You have the website describing how does it functions. This is running between 4 to 6 weeks for anyone out there that is looking for becoming a serious trader. Feel free to check out the video and you can qualify for a free conversation with me of 15 minutes where I can describe you how the whole coaching program works, where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to build a successful trading business from A to Z. Basically, this is my passion, been trading since 2014, and I decided to put together a private one-to-one. That's where people can learn. I don't think people can become traders from tutorials or videos. You can learn technical things from tutorials, but you cannot trade. Trading is a comprehensive activity. It has to be done in an intensive way of working with someone that is directly taking care about your problems and knowledge. So this is what I personally believe. This is what quality means, in my opinion. For those of you interested, feel free to check out, and I'll get back to you on your email with the offer or Telegram. Make sure to register now for more informations, as well as for those of you interested, scrembocoaching.com/today. We have our trading journey for those of you that are in a position where they would like me to trade for them. We have this opportunity. There is no upfront cost. We're just charging a specific percentage out of the profits we achieve. On the left side of the page, we have the trading performance documented since September 2017, and then on the right side of the page, we have the instructions on how to join. That's pretty much all, folks. All the pages and URLs, scrembocoaching.com/today. Meanwhile, the main coaching page is simple, can be found in the description area or comments area right below the video. A beautiful day, folks. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and there is a playlist about Binance tutorial videos. There's going to be more than 20 videos here about it, and feel free to check it out. Have a beautiful time.